Major legal shake-up in India. Here's what you need to know. The Supreme Court has intervened to stop the controversial practice known as Bulldozer Justice. This practice involved demolishing properties of individuals suspected of criminal activity, often without proper legal procedures. Critics argue it disproportionately targeted the Muslim minority community. Started in 2017 in Uttar Pradesh under the BJP government, this campaign raised significant human rights concerns. Victims claimed they weren't given sufficient notice to challenge demolitions, and many properties weren't illegal. Human rights organizations have condemned this practice as unlawful and discriminatory. The Supreme Court's decision to halt it has been welcomed as a step towards upholding the rule of law and protecting vulnerable communities. The next hearing on this matter is scheduled for October, where the court will further examine its legality